Alright, so this is the EcoFlow. Some of you saw me install it. I seriously stacked everything and just connected these cables together on the side, plugged in the solar. I have a 220 plug that comes up to my meter. Edison had given us a pilot program for this GeneraLink. So this plug tucks right into here, and I didn't have to, right up into here, and I didn't have to wire anything up differently. Here you go. It's giving me my output right now. Currently I'm getting well over 1600 watts of sun, and I'm only putting out 670 watts, and it shows the battery percentage. Each battery also shows a little indicator on the side showing its battery level, and it's got a whole bunch of ports showing you what all you got. I'm currently only using big old 221. I do like that the containers for the ports actually come with like an instruction on them, and the lid for closing them folds away after use. Like here, if I were to put power in, it folds down and it slides back. Anyway, that's what I got.